welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. Well, we have a single review on the new 7 Virtues, yes, Buttercream Haze. Yes, I was able to test and try this baby. So I want to come to you with my thoughts, and you all know how we do. Let's get right into it. So first, is this fragrance versatile? Okay, do we have some versatility to this? I would say not really. Not really. I don't think that this will go for every occasion or every season. And so let's get into it further. So the occasion, I think this is definitely a quick grab and go type of fragrance. When you pull up to Chick-fil-A or fast food, really just easy reach, okay? I think this is a great thing for errands. If you have maybe a casual event, like maybe a birthday party, but this really, to me, sits in this season. So fall, your winter, I really can't see me wearing this fragrance, and I can't see me. Again, if you're out there I wear my fragrance anytime, sis. You do, sis. Yep, you do. You go, girl. Yeah, me, your sis. Spring, summer, I don't see me reaching for this in the spring and summer. But this season, fall, winter, this is perfect for this season. Oh my gosh, it's perfect for this, okay? So again, working from home, if you work from home, very casual setting. I cannot see me wearing this to a formal event. I can't see this. Unless I'm pairing it with something, I don't even know about church. I don't know. You're yes, sis, you can wear that to church. If I pair it with something, I probably could wear this to church. I just don't know. I don't know wearing this by itself to church. But so I could be going to church, and then afterwards I have to run errands, and maybe. Okay, I just really see this more on a casual, easy breezy, easy reach type of day. Chill, Netflix and chill, that type of thing. Yeah, this would be amazing. Highly recommend. Now, packaging. Packaging is the same as the 7 Virtues, but the picture on the front, delicious. Okay, packaging, delicious. It's like a cake, and it has caramel dripping down. I think that is the most perfect picture ever for this fragrance. It 10 out of 10, great marketing, absolutely. That's what that is. They did that amazing. The caramel dripping down, and the caramel dripping down is key. We gonna get into it, but the key. Love it, love the packaging for sure. Now the pricing, just like everything else has gone up, this has gone up, right? I feel 7 Virtues was in the $75 or something like that range. Now it's at $94 for this. So pricing, everything's going up. So I just feel it is what it is at this point, to be honest with you all. So it's not $200. It's not over $100, but pricing could be better. So all that to say, I would probably wait for the VIB sale that's coming up, where you can use your 20% off and then getting this fragrance. So the pricing, it's okay. Could it be better? Yeah. Could a lot of things in pricing be better? Yeah. But it's okay. Yeah. What you think? What y'all think about pricing? Put that comment. Tell me. Down there. Tell me. It's okay to me. I don't know. Y'all think it's too much. Y'all looking at me like $94 for a fragrance that's gonna last. Clean fragrance. Comment down below. Let me know. Now, does this fragrance lean more masculine or feminine? I think this is definitely unisex. I think more females would be into it. I'm not sure if a man wants to smell like buttercream. But if he wants to smell like buttercream, he has a right to smell like buttercream. And sir, brother, wear it. Cousin, nephew, wear it. I don't know. I just see more maybe females wearing the buttercream, but I think it's definitely unisex. You can pair it with a lot of different fragrances. You know, you can do what you want. Now, this was launched this year, so let's get into the notes. Yes, my favorite part. So notes we have are buttercream, vanilla, maple, caramel, and tonka bean. Okay, so very simple, right? Let's get into my real thoughts if you really haven't guessed by now. Okay? So my full thoughts, yes, I love it. Gourmand girlies, please stand up, and you need this for this fall winter season, okay? Now again, I can't see myself picking this up in the spring summer, so I need to use this up, okay? Because baby will sit in the corner for spring and summer messing with me, okay? She ain't gonna see her mama. She ain't gonna see me. But fall, winter, she prepared to be sick of me. She is prepared to be sick of me. I already talked to her. Prepared to be sick of me, okay? This is amazing. Gourmand lovers, this is it. Now, I would say if you are a gourmand lover, but do not like caramel. If you are a gourmand lover, but do not like maple, this might not be for you. This might not be for you. You might be looking at me like, no. Because it has this like, almost like this melting, and that's why I said the picture is so good. Great marketing. It has this like melting caramel over the buttercream, over this cream. So there's this cream smell in this, but the caramel is dripping. Okay? Dripping. Okay? It's amazing. The drip is amazing. The drip is amazing. That sounds, I know. You thought the same thing. Anyway, it is so delicious, but the maple is sappy. Okay, so you have like caramel dripping, delicious, and then you have the sappiness of the maple, and you have a cream setting. It's amazing. It's so good. I love this, and it's so simple. I'm not gonna say that you ain't smell this in something else or you don't have this already in your collection, because honestly, I'm gonna say it. I'm gonna say it. Okay, Monte Casanade, I feel is like the older more luxury sister, and this is like baby sis. This is like baby sis of Monte Casanade. Like, so if you like Monte Casanade and you like the luxury of that and all, and it's still like good and delicious and sappiness and you let it sit, this is like baby sister. Baby sister is like, I'm coming there. I'm coming. I'm trying to get there. Yeah, this is good. This is good. Now, would your sis, me, purchase a full bottle? If that's a real question, you don't know me at all. We're going to have to still get to know each other. It's okay. We'll get there. If that is a real question. Absolutely. I absolutely think I'm going to purchase this during the VIB sale because I have a problem with the price. I said it. Okay. I have a slight problem with the price. And I only have a slight problem with the price. It's because I want my $70 some odd back that this was for. I don't want it to go up. I don't. Especially not for a clean brand that does not last and last and last, right? I'm being a brat. Fine. I'm being a brat. If that's what you feel, I'm being a brat. Fine. I'm going to wait till my 20% comes. And if that's me just being a brat because of the pricing, You said it. Fine. I take steps back and I will say, you're right. Because I missed my 70 some odd dollars. I mean, could they not? Like, or maybe it was in my head. Maybe it was 80 some odd. Maybe that's what you're screaming through the camera. You're like, sis, it was in the 80s. I don't remember. I just don't remember it being in the 90s. I tell you that. Anyway, I digress. I think I'm going to wait until my 20% comes and then your sis is going to jump on me. Okay? That's what I'm going to do. Longevity. Yeah, you're just going to have a travel size. You're going to have it near you. It's going to give you about 3 hours, definitely close to skin. It's not going to announce your presence. You're going to need to overspray on top of the overspray. And then if you're pairing it with something, then okay, then maybe they'll smell you in the room. But by itself, it's not going to be a goer with your 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to overspray for you to even make any impact. Like, it is what it is. But is the fragrance good and delicious and awesome? And would I purchase it? Absolutely yes, 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 yes. And did I say yes? Great. But I'll just wait for my 20%. I just had to do all. I'll just wait for my 20%. Okay. Well, that's all. That's all, fam, for my full thoughts on the Buttercream Haze. And it's so good. It is really good. Get you a travel size. See if you like it. See if you enjoy it. Because sometimes you all don't like caramel and you're like, stay away, stay away. See if you like it. See if you vibe with it. If you do, get it. If you don't, well, look at another video. At least we tried. Okay? Well, make sure you subscribe if you enjoy the content. Make sure you give me the thumbs up so more people can come and family members can come to my channel, okay? And finally, make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.